Okay, this video we are going to talk about cargo commands and how to create a workspace in uh, cargo using cargo. So let's build a library mkdir making directory with name cargo experiment. Okay, then I want to create a cargo.toml. So let's open that folder, cargo experiment. Yeah, here, yeah, we need to touch a file. So cargo.toml. So in this file, we are creating a workspace. For that, in brackets, workspace, yeah, workspace and members. Let's add members equals first crate. Okay, first crate. This is the first member. Then let's open a new terminal and listing we have this cargo terminal. Then we can create a new binary crate with cargo new first crate, and it's a binary one. So we have to give dash dash hyphen dash dash bin. So this one is created. Now we have a first crate here, and we have a hello world, and we can also give first crate. Okay, now let's see, the we can build the project from here, cargo build. Could not parse input. Oh, this cargo.toml has some problem. What is the problem with this? Uh, it should be bracket, square bracket. It should be square bracket. Yeah, it's building. The It's actually built our inner crate as well as our workspace. So if you want to add a new crate, so let's build cargo new second crate bin, second crate. So yeah, we have the second crate here. Now we can build the project again. Actually built. Does it build all the? Okay, um, let I equal 0 and cargo build. Yeah, it's actually built all the crates. Let's see whether we can run. Oh, it's actually running the first crate. cd second crate cargo run. We should be able to run the. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. We did not add the second crate here. Yeah. So, yeah, we added the second crate in the workspace in members. And now cargo build. Yeah, it's building both the crates. Let's run cargo run. Could not determine which binary to run. Yeah. So this case minus first crate. Hmm. Cargo run first crate. Yeah, it's ran the first crate. Let's run the second one. Yeah, second also run. So this way we can create a workspace and specify the crate uh, and give the members as the members as these crates. So another thing is these crates we build as binary. Let's build one with lib cargo new my lib third crate lib dash dash lib. So we are creating a third crate as a library. So we should get a third crate src lib. Yeah. And as you can see, there is a sample code with pub fn add. So we should be able to use that library here. For that, we need to specify. Let's give third crate equals 0.1.0. Yeah, we are giving a dependency third crate for the first crate. We need to give the path. How come? So yeah, we need to specify the path. Path is important, not version. So equals path equals. Let me just give third crate. Yeah. Let's see whether it detects or not. Rust analyzer extension check failed. Cargo. Hey. Path equals codes. Then use add one. So then here use third crate add. Or let's give star. Oh, thread create lib. Uh, add one. No. Let's see. So seems like we need to specify the first crate with dependency as the third crate. This is a library, so third crate lib and path as dot dot slash third crate lib. So dot dot means so this is one dot is dot src and another dot is outside. So that is where this cargo dot toml is workspace toml is. And I think we need to specify. Okay, I don't want to specify that. Let's see, I can build this. I didn't specify the third crate. Yeah, but it's still compiling. Bin first crate. Yeah, it's running. Let's first crate equals add one. Add one is not there. Why add one is not there? Oh, it's only add. I'm giving add my is also my add, and here we are giving my add, and I'm giving 3 and 7. Does it work? Yeah, it's working. So we don't need to specify the this here. I think since we are giving the path, it's auto taking, it's auto compiling. Let me don't specify this. Let me see. I can comment this. Yeah, it's not working. And I'm giving third crate here. Third crate lib, comma. Let's see it's working or not. Yeah, it's not working. So yeah, we need to specify the. Let me give this as well. Yeah, I'm here. I am YYP and I'm commenting this line and I'm giving the version here. I hope no, it's not working. Why? It says cargo.toml, right? It says cargo build. Let's build together. No matching package name thread crate lib found. Oh, Okay, yeah, we need to specify the path. No other option. Yeah, no other option. Cargo build. Yeah, it's building and cargo run. We need to give bin first create. Yeah, I think even if we are specifying it here, we really need to give the path and the lib here as a dependency. Okay, I think that's all I need to cover quickly on this video. We will meet on the, we'll discuss on the other cargo commands. There are so many commands. These commands, we will touch base on those commands in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.